Have you ever finished explaining a policy and your client simply says, थोड़ा और simple में समझाइए, or maybe WhatsApp पे भेज दीजिए, मैं घर जाके देख लूंगा? The reality is, clients don't reject insurance because policies are bad. Many times, they reject what they don't fully understand. And that's one of the biggest challenges in life insurance planning. As advisors, our job isn't just to recommend the right policy. It's to explain it in a way that makes clients feel confident about their decision. Today, I'll show you 3 practical ways to use AI to make life insurance planning conversations much easier. You'll learn how to simplify any policy, create client-friendly summaries, and even explain policies in Hindi for clients who are more comfortable in their preferred language. Let's begin with the biggest challenge. Insurance documents aren't written for the first-time buyers. They are written as legal, technical documents. So instead of trying to simplify every paragraph yourself, open ChatGPT, paste the relevant section of the policy document. Now use a prompt like this. Explain this policy in simple language for someone buying life insurance for the first time. Keep it conversational and avoid technical terms. Within seconds, AI rewrites the explanation in everyday language. Instead of reading like a policy, it starts sounding like a conversation. This is especially useful during life insurance planning because clients often understand stories and simple explanations much better than insurance terminology. One important point: don't paste an entire confidential policy with personal customer details. Only use the product wording or remove any personal information before using AI. And always review the explanation yourself before sharing it with the client. Remember, AI helps you communicate. You are still responsible for the advice. Here's something almost every advisor experiences. You finish a meeting, the client says, "Can you send me highlights on WhatsApp?" Instead of typing everything manually, ask AI to do the first draft. Paste the relevant policy details. Then use a prompt like this. Create a WhatsApp-friendly summary of this policy in under 150 words. Include the key benefits, important exclusions, and who this plan is suitable for. Keep the tone simple and easy to understand. Now you have a clean summary that's easy to read on a phone. Before sending it, take 1 minute to review it. Make sure the wording matches the actual policy. And if needed, add your own personal recommendation. That small personal touch reminds clients that they are working with an advisor, not just receiving an AI-generated message. Simple follow-ups like these can make life insurance planning conversations continue even after the meeting ends. Now let's look at something even more useful. Not every client prefers English. Many people are far more comfortable discussing financial decisions in Hindi. That's where AI can save a lot of effort. After you've explained the policy in English, simply ask, "Translate this explanation into simple conversational Hindi." Don't translate word for word, explain it the way an insurance advisor would naturally speak. Instead of stiff textbook language, you'll usually get a much more natural explanation. That means you can explain the same policy in the language your client is most comfortable with. You can even ask AI to make it more conversational. For example, rewrite this as if I'm explaining it to my parents. That's where AI becomes incredibly useful for life insurance planning. Not because it knows more than you, but because it helps you adapt your communication to every client. Here's one prompt I recommend every advisor saves. After pasting the policy, ask, "Explain this policy for a salaried employee." Then, now explain it for someone planning for retirement. The policy doesn't change, but the explanation does. Clients don't all think the same way. The more relevant your explanation feels, the more meaningful your life insurance planning conversations become. The best advisors don't just know insurance, they know how to explain insurance. That's what builds trust. Use AI to simplify policy language. Create WhatsApp-ready summaries that clients will actually read. Explain policies in Hindi when that's what your client prefers. And most importantly, use AI to make every life insurance planning conversations easier to understand. Because when clients clearly understand what they are buying, they are far more confident about moving forward. AI doesn't replace the advisor. It helps the advisor communicate with greater clarity, confidence, and impact. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Advisor Rise. In our next AI session, we'll explore another practical way to use AI to save time, serve clients better, and grow your advisory practice.
To become a life insurance advisor, click the link in our bio. Subscribe to Advisorize and hit the bell icon to never miss a video.